Mahaganathipataye Namaha. Good morning, good evening. Good evening, good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Yes, it was told to you to join, pay 10 rupees, 1 rupee and join, right? Iris from 10B. But how to pay? Ask that fellow, Kaushik. Kaushik, yeah, na? He paid yesterday. Aditya Vignesh. Mokshagni. How much? Purva Saini. Only 21 people are joined. So you can pay 1 rupee, right? How he paid yesterday? Chiru Hasin, Lisa Caroline, Jitashri, Ashita Chaudhary. Oh, minimum 20 rupees, okay? You pay 20 rupees for 20 days. Right, Mahaganadhipataye Namaha. Today we are going to revise the topic polynomials. In polynomials, in class 10 syllabus, we have only quadratic polynomial. The general form of a quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. General form of a quadratic polynomial is, it is showing minimum 20 rupees. Yes, for 20 days you can pay 20. Where a comma b comma c are real numbers. A comma b comma c are real numbers. Okay. And a is not equal to 0. A is not equal to 0. Right. We can observe three forms. We can observe three different forms in quadratic polynomials. Three different forms. 1, 2, 3. So we have to learn. We we have to learn how to find out the zeros of the given quadratic polynomial of these three forms. Of these three forms. Okay. Now let us first consider the first form. Find the zeros of 4x square minus 4x minus 3. And second form, second is This is x square minus 5 and 5y square plus 10y. 5y square plus 10y. Okay na? Now, for this one, 4 into negative 3, it is negative 12. 4 into negative 3, negative 12. So we need to search for two numbers whose product is negative 12 and sum is minus 4. Okay na? We need to search for two numbers. We need to search for two numbers whose product is negative 12 because 4 into negative 3 is negative 12. Okay. And sum is negative 4. Okay. So what is that? 4x square minus 6x plus 2x minus 3. 4x square minus 6x plus 2x minus 3. So from these two we can take 2x common. Remaining is 2x minus 3. And from these two plus 1 common. Remaining is 2x minus 3. So 2x minus 3 into 2x plus 1. So the zeros are minus 3 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2. The zeros are minus 3 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2. Okay na? This is how for the first model we have to do factorization. Now the second one, coming to this one. Here constant term is missing. Constant term is missing. So what we have to do? We can take 5y common from these two. From these two we can take 5y common. Remaining is y plus 2. We can take 5y common. Remaining is y plus 2. Okay. Now the zeros are 5y is equal to 0. Y plus 2 is equal to 0. Then y is equal to 0. Y is equal to minus 2. So the zeros are 0 comma minus 2. 0 comma minus 2. That is the second model. Now coming to third model, try to express this one as a square minus b square form. A square minus b square form. Okay na? So a plus b into a minus b. So root 5, negative root 5 comma root 5. Negative root 5 comma root 5 are the zeros. Negative root 5 comma root 5 are the zeros. Okay. So like this we can find out the zeros of the given quadratic polynomial in all the three forms. First one, second one, third one. Okay. Suppose 2x square plus 5. How to find out the zeros of 2x square plus 5? How to find out the zeros of 2x square plus 5? Okay. So there is a direct formula. See, write this one as root 2x whole square. Okay. Minus root 5 whole square. Otherwise, I will tell you one direct formula. Two x square minus half minus 5. Okay, can we write like this? 2x square minus half minus root 5 whole square. Okay. Even then, this is root x whole square minus half minus root 5 whole square. Then a plus b, a minus b. Then that is also difficult. Okay, I'll tell you one direct formula for the third form. For the third form, I'll tell you one direct formula by all this. See, any quadratic equation of this form, the roots are plus or minus root over minus c by a. Any quadratic equation of the form ax square plus c, ax square plus c, the roots are x is equal to plus or minus root over minus c by a. Now, what I gave? 2x square plus 5. So, the roots will be x is equal to plus or minus root over minus 5 by 2. Plus or minus root over minus 5 by 2. So, what is that? Root over minus 5 by 2 is one value. Minus root over minus 5 by 2 is another value. Understood, children? You take another one. X square minus 5. X square minus 5. Yes. Here a1, c is negative 5. So x is equal to plus or minus root over minus c by a. Na? So plus or minus root over c is negative 5. Na? C is negative 5. So minus c is negative of negative 5 by a1. So plus or minus root over 5. So the zeros are root 5 comma minus root 5. Root 5 comma minus root 5. Understood? So this is how for the different three different forms we can find out the zeros of the given quadratic polynomial. Now there is an important model. What is that? Finding the zeros and verifying the relation between finding the zeros and verifying the relation between zeros and coefficients. Okay. So consider one problem. 5x square minus 4 minus 8x. 5x square minus 4 minus 8x. So for this polynomial, we have to find out the zeros, and after that we need to verify the relation between zeros and coefficients. Okay na? Right, children. Now, can we find out is this given problem is in general form? Sir, can we use any of these three methods? See here. I told you three different forms of a quadratic polynomial. Is that right? The first one is ax square plus bx plus c. Means a is there, b is there, c is there. All the three terms are there. And the second one is ax square plus bx. Constant is missing. And the third form is ax square plus c. So for the three different forms, we have to find out the zeros by using three different ways. I explained it beginning only. Okay na? Ankit Jain, I don't know. Right. Now, this one, is it in the general form? Is it in the general form? 5x square minus 4 minus 8x, is it in the general form? No, it is not in the general form. So we need to make it 5x square minus 8x minus 4. 5x square minus 8x minus 4. Now, find out the zeros, children, fast. Find out the zeros. Find out the zeros. Okay, it is not in the general form, just I have converted it in the general form. 5x square minus 8x minus 4. Now find out the zeros. 5 into negative 4, negative 20. Divide negative 20 into 2 values, a into b. So a into b must be negative 20, a plus b must be negative 8. A into b negative 20 and a plus b is negative 8. How to split it? How to split it? Five x square minus 10x plus 2x minus 4. No one is saying. 5x square minus 10x minus 4. 4 4s are. Ganga Prasad 4 4 enter. You can take 5x common. X minus 2 plus 2 common. X minus 2. Again x minus 2 common. 5x plus 2. X minus 2 common, 5x plus 2. Now x will be 2 minus 2 by 5. X will be 2 and minus 2 by 5. So the zeros are 2 comma minus 2 by 5. Now we need to verify the relation between zeros and coefficients. Is that right? Very very important model. Verifying the relation between zeros and coefficients. Right. Zeros, coefficients. Alpha, let 1 0 is alpha and beta. Alpha to beta minus 2 by 5. Alpha to beta minus 2 by 5. And coefficients A, B, C. Can anyone say what is A, what is B, what is C? Children, fast. What is A, what is B, what is C? Anyone of you will say that what is A, what is B, what is C? A 5, A 5, B negative 8, C negative 4. A 5, B negative 8, C negative 4. Coefficients. Whatever the zeros we got, name one zero as alpha, the other zero as beta. Okay, na? Now, first calculate alpha plus beta. First calculate alpha plus beta. Okay. That is 2 plus negative 2 by 5. How much is this, right? 2 plus negative 2 by 5. Two plus negative 2 by 5. Yes. Taking LCM, 10 minus 2, 8 by 5. Good. Now find out alpha beta. Alpha into beta. Alpha into beta. How much is this? Alpha into beta, how much? Alpha into beta, which is negative 4 by 5. Alpha plus beta we got 8 by 5. Alpha into beta we got negative 4 by 5. Is that right? Now, here find out minus b by a first. What is minus b by a value? What is minus b by a? What is minus b by a? minus of minus 8 by 5, which is 8 by 5, and C by A minus 4 by 5. So what is our conclusion? Alpha plus beta and minus B by A both got A by 5 only. Alpha plus beta as well as minus B by A is same, both are same. And alpha beta C by A is negative 4 by 5. Alpha plus beta and minus B by A are equal. Alpha beta C by A are equal. Is that understood? Okay na? Now consider one more problem. Consider one more problem. 8x square minus 4. 8x square minus 4. Find the zeros of the given polynomial and verify the relation between zeros and coefficients. Okay. 8 is, we can write it as 2 root 2 x whole square. Why all this? We have a formula na, directly. We have a formula directly. Is that right? Why all these tensions? A 8, C negative 4. Is that right? A 8, C negative 4. So then x is equal to plus or minus root over negative C by A. Is that right? X is equal to root over negative C by A plus or minus root over 4 by 8 ante 1 by 2 plus or minus root over 1 by 2. We can write it as plus or minus 1 by root 2. Plus or minus 1 by root 2. Okay. Why negative 1 by 2? Now zeros, coefficients. Alpha 1 by root 2, beta negative 1 by root 2. Alpha 1 by root 2, beta negative 1 by root 2. And coefficients A8, B0, C negative 4. Is that right? A8, B. Middle term not there, na? Middle term is not there. So B0 and C is negative 4. Now, alpha plus beta, how much? Alpha plus beta, how much? Alpha plus beta. Two into negative 1 by root 2. Bi. 1 by root 2 into negative 1 by root 2. negative 1 by 2, correct. 1 into negative 1, negative 1, root 2 into root 2, 2. Okay. Now minus b by a, minus b by a, that is minus 0 by 8, 0. C by a, minus 4 by 8, negative 1 by 2. C by a is minus 4 by 8, that is 1 by 2, negative 1 by 2. So the conclusion is alpha plus beta minus b by a both are equal to 0. Alpha beta c by a both are equal to 1 by 2. Okay na? This is our conclusion. Okay na? So this is very very important model, children. Very very important model. So I can observe only 35 students now. 35. In that one is mine. 34 are there. Total 34 are there. And I did not see that Vikram, Arush and Jaspal, many from 10B and even 10A also. Note down the names properly. Note down the names properly. Now find the quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 2 and minus 6. How to do this problem, right? Till now, a polynomial is given to us. Till now, what we did? A polynomial was given to us. We need to find out its zeros. We need to find out its zeros and verify the relation between zeros and coefficients. Till now we are doing that. Now, zeros are given. Zeros are given and we need to find out the polynomial. How to do it? How to do this? Anyone? Till now, what we have observed, when a polynomial is given to us, when a quadratic polynomial is given to us, we can find out its zeros and we can verify the relation between zeros and coefficients. That is what we have done till now. Now the question was changed. Given the zeros, and we need to find out the polynomial now. How to do it? Yeah. There is a formula x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Now insert the values. X square minus 2 plus negative 6 times of x plus 2 into negative 6. X square minus of minus 4x minus 12. X square plus 4x minus 12. X square plus 4x minus 12. Okay, na? This is how to find out the polynomial when its zeros are given. Yeah, what is your doubt? Actually, who is this Jesse Aquatics? You have to join with your name, Nana. What is your doubt? Now, alpha negative 1 by 2, beta 1 by 2. Find the polynomial, children. Alpha negative 1 by 2, beta 1 by 2. Find the polynomial. See, joining the class. See, now 31 are there. Only 31. Joining the class, and you must be there in the class throughout the class. Just joining and leaving the class is not nice. Alpha negative 1 by 2, beta 1 by 2. What is the polynomial? X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. X square minus negative 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into x. Negative 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Okay. Now this will be x square, this will be 0. That means 0x minus 1 by 4. So directly you can write x square minus 1 by 4. If alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 4 root 3 plus 3 है. X square minus 4 root 3x plus 3. How many marks? 3 marks ki start. Verify the relation. The question is the 2 marks. If this is the question, it is for 2 marks. X square minus 4 root 3x plus 3. Find the value of alpha plus beta. Find the value of alpha plus beta minus alpha beta. Yes, we can do that. See, given alpha and beta are zeros of this polynomial, is that right? Alpha and beta are the zeros of this polynomial that is given. He is not asking the zeros. He is asking us to find out this value. He is asking us to find out this value. Alpha plus beta minus alpha beta. We know that alpha plus beta is minus b by a minus alpha beta is c by a. Is that right? We observed it. Is that right? Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Alpha beta is c by a. Now take LCM. A LCM. Minus b minus c. If you take minus common, b plus c by a. Now minus r. What is b? Minus 4 root 3. What is c? 3. And what is a? 1. Now what will be the answer? 4 root 3 minus 3 by 1. Okay na? 4 root 3 minus 3 by 1. That is nothing but 4 root 3 minus 3. Okay? So today what we have observed, when a polynomial is given to us, okay, we need to find out its zeros and verify the relation between zeros and coefficients. Second one, when zeros are given to us, how to find out the polynomial. Okay. Third one, how to find out the zeros of different forms of the quadratic polynomial. Different forms of the quadratic polynomial. Yeah, you can take root 3 common. You know how many different forms are there? How many different forms are there in quadratic polynomials? There are 3. Ax square plus bx plus c is first one. Ax square plus bx is second one. ax square plus c is third one. So we must be in a position that we can take or we can find out the zeros of any quadratic polynomial if it is in any form. We must be in a position to find out its zeros. Okay? Yeah. Now today how many are came from 10A? How many came from 10A? How many from 10A and how many from 10B? Aniket? 19. Starting 19. And all the 19 are there still till end? Now 21. And what about 10B? Some are not responding. To whom I told to maintain the record for 10B? Vanshika, 24 are there, 10B. 24, all the 24 are there from the beginning? From the beginning all the 24 are there till now? You are not listening to my question. In the middle I can see only 30 people, in the middle, that means remaining left from the class. Yes, I told you to pay 1 rupee and join the class, na? 10B students. So tomorrow onwards pay 1 rupee and join the class. Then you will be serious. Pay 1 rupee and join the class tomorrow onwards. Everyone, 10A, 10B. Okay, bye. Thank you very much. Bye.